and not from head to toe. That matters. Hey ho, man, hey dapper Dan. You both got your style, but brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Your clothes may be full bromely, they stand out a mile, but brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Who cares what they're wearing on Main Street, Savile Row? It's what you wear from ear to ear, and not from head to toe. That matters. So senator, so janitor, so long girl, well remember you're never fully dressed without a smile. You're never fully dressed without a smile. Who cares what they're wearing on Main Street or Savile Row? It's what you wear from ear to ear, and not from head to toe. So senator, so janitor, so long girl, well remember you're never fully dressed. So you may wear the best, you're never fully dressed without a smile. You're never fully dressed, you're never fully dressed, you're never fully dressed, you're never fully dressed without a smile.
Well done, Liv. Boom. Louis, so much talent.
I know, and she's only 8.
Yeah.
And Michelle told me the song was from Annie. I didn't know it, but Michelle and Denise know every single word. But anyway, back to you, Liv. You were fantastic. Absolutely. It's hard to believe you're only 8 because you got amazing confidence. Your vocal was amazing, and I love the whole staging. Love it.
Michelle.
In my opinion, that's one of the best Broadway scores ever written, and it's not an easy song to sing. And you hit all the notes coming straight at them, and you're 9 years old. That was remarkable. Remarkable.
Wow. Jason.
Oh, Liv. I mean, I don't know. You're so brave for doing that. When I was your age, I would have just puked right on the shoes there. I mean, you came out and you did it, and your little acting and everything. Your voice is amazing, and probably a new musical, not called Annie, we'll call it Livy. That'll be for you. So well done. You were brilliant.
And Denise.
Yes, Louis is right. I know every word. My daughter Betsy's the same age as you, and we sing this all the time together, but we never sound as good as you. It was brilliant. I loved your vocal, and you really did make me smile.
Oh, thank you, judges. So, Liv, are you a bit of a superstar now in Cork?
I guess.
I guess. Well, can I say that I am so proud of you. I know that your mummy and daddy are so proud of you, and the whole of Ireland are now proud of you. Well done, little cheeky face. Okay, if Liv is your pick of the night, then vote for her by calling 1513 71 88 64 or text the word Liv to 53307. The vote doesn't open until all 8 acts have performed. Please don't vote before the lines are open, as your vote won't count, but you still may be charged. Ladies and gentlemen, the super cute Liv Gregorio.